Hey guys, this is Chris with marketingtutorialsm.com, and on today's video I would like to show you how you can make $15 per hour by just surfing the internet. The most amazing simple way, just surf the internet and get paid. We do surf the internet all the time, so why not get paid about it? So let's start making some money while we do what we like. Before we go ahead and start on this video, before I show you how you can do this and the site I'm talking today, don't forget that this is a free way I'm going to show you. You don't have to pay anything, no experience needed. So test it as well. So before we go ahead and start, I would like to ask you, if you haven't already, since you're interested to make some money, some extra passive income, click the link below this video to see my #1 recommendation on how you can actually make some good money and it will change your life. And if you haven't already and you like the content of this video, please do subscribe to my channel by following here the subscribe button, which is following during out the video on the right side. So with no further ado guys, let me go ahead and let me show you what I'm talking about today. Today I'm talking about this website called LeapForce.home.com. The link is going to be on the description, so you can take it from there. Don't worry about the name right now, but the website itself is called LeapForce.home.com. And what this company is doing basically is paying you to become an agent in order to serve the internet, because they want to make sure, like for example, when you go open to Google, Yahoo, Bing, all these big search engines, and you're searching for something, they get paid by big companies to make sure that the results are showing up are correct. We're talking about the zillions websites out there that they are uploaded. People are paying a lot of money to, let's say for example, to translate a page in different languages. So maybe it's not showing correctly, maybe the menu is not correctly, maybe a specific feature or a Java or all these things that they add on the website is not looking okay, or maybe they look okay on one part of the planet, on one region, on one country, and it doesn't look okay when you go to another region. Let's say for example the English version is good but the Spanish is not good. So they want you to become an agent to surf around and make sure and you report any problem that you locate. So this is the logic behind this site. They want you to become an agent for them, to serve like you do serve anyway, and make sure that you don't find any problems, or if you do find any problems, to report them in order to fix it and make the user experience for everybody else much better, with the results to be nice. So the logic behind is very nice. This is how you improve the internet. Let's say for example you improve the internet, the sites and all this stuff, and this is what you do. You're gonna become an agent and work for them. You're gonna get paid hourly in order to do something like that. What do you guys need? You're gonna need a good internet connection, guys, something decent, so you'll be able to browse around, and you know it's not gonna take you 2 minutes to open website, especially if a website is a little bit heavy loaded with some Java and all these scripts and so on. Actually, let me show you. You can go from here. The requirements is listed on the menu, and you will see exactly what do you need in order to become an agent. So you see, you must be at least 18 years old of agent, because alright, they need to pay you and you need to satisfy some criteria. And you go to the equipment requirements, where it says you require high-speed internet like cable, modem, DSL, and so on. 95% of the planet right now have all this good internet connection. Even if you go to a Wi-Fi cafe to do this, you'll be able to do it with no problem if you don't have internet access at your house for any reason. You're going to require a personal computer running Google's free Chrome web browser version 45. You are able to see the Chrome's version. If you don't have Chrome, you can download it. It will go to the latest, so you're covered. If you do have Chrome, it should be automatically updated with the new version automatically. But in case you want to check it, all you need to do is go to the settings on the very right. When you see all these 3 dots, and go settings, browser, about the browser, the information, just see the version, and if there is a newer version, you just click to update. It's very easy to do. You can run a small quick YouTube video to see how to upgrade your Chrome browser in case it's not already. 99% is done automatically, guys, unless you manually chose not to update automatically, so you don't have to worry about it. You need an updated antivirus and anti-spyware software, and this is the reason because you're going to be running and testing new sites mostly. So a good antivirus, it's a must, mostly for your protection, guys, and it's good to always have a good antivirus, regardless if you're doing this job or no. Since you are in front of your computer and trying to make some money out of it, go ahead and do this. For my recommendation, I'm using Kaspersky, which is one, I think I found it one of the best, so you'll be able to use this one, but you are able to get even McAfee, which is very good, which is free to start with, and you can upgrade from there if you want to based on the needs. Okay, basic skill requirements. You need to be able to do an excellent web search skills and analytical abilities. They will guide you on what you look for, so it's very straightforward. You don't have to worry about this. Excellent comprehension and written communication skills, because you will have to report and write a problem and any problem you find on your language, and we'll show you in a little bit the languages and countries available. And last part is many lab force at home independent agents assignments require fluency in a language other than English. So a lot of you are multi-language speaking people, so again, very easy to do. Once you see the requirements you're able to do, you can either become here, you can click here to become an agent, or you can click here and you fill up all the informations. And this is the nice part as well, where you can start by choosing your country. And as you can see, it's not something that is only for US or UK and so on. It's a lot of countries here, US, Canada, Germany, Russia, Spain, goes all the way down. So I'm pretty sure you're covered. In case your country is not here, you choose the other and you're adding your country, and still 99% you're going to get approved, because they want people from all around the globe to be able to test and get their feedback. As I told you guys, they pay you hourly based on the job you do. It's a very nice site. You work on your own time. There is no whatever, how many hours you put, the more hours you put, the more effort you put, the more money you're going to make. I love it because it's free to start, it's free to continue, you get paid for the work you do, it's working, it's tested, a lot of people is using this. All you need to do, it's a laptop, a tablet, from your phone, internet connection, and start making this. It's, as I told you, it's also free and it covers most areas of the planet. So I hope you like the content of this video, guys. Give it a shot, start making some money out of it. And if you like the content of this video, I will ask you once again to click the link below this video to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make an actual good income every day from the comfort of your house. And it would be an honor for me, if you haven't already, to click the subscribe button here and the bell icon in order to see my new videos. It would be an honor to have you on my channel. I will always love to get your feedback so I can improve from my side as well. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you to the next one very soon. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.